Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw and coloring alphabets. First we are using the color of red. Kids, now we are coloring and draw the alphabet of A. And the next one is B. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. Kids, now we draw D. D for dog, D for doll. The next one is E. E for egg, E for elephant. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. And the next one is G. G for goat. The next one is H. H for hand. Subscribe to our channel. I for ice, I for ice cream. J for jackfruit. K for kite. Now we are using the color of red. L for lemon. M for moon. N for nose and for nest. Kids, the next one is O. And the next one is P. The next one is Q. Subscribe to our channel. Q for queen. The next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. Kids, the next one is V. And the next one is W. X. The next one is Y. Y for yolk. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching.